Are you ready to remove the struggle, remove the stress, and remove the fear of the unknown to build a thriving clientele and a career to earn you the income that you want in your life? Welcome to the Global Meticulous Manicurist Network. I'm Lori Halloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube and an expert in the field of nail technology, specializing in pedicures and acrylic nails. I am so thrilled you are here. Thank you for trusting me with your time. I know how valuable it is to all of us nowadays. The world has changed. People expect us to accomplish more things in a day than ever before. And I would like to think that I have mastered the juggling act of my career as a nail technician and a business owner and a YouTube creator. But not all of you are here today because you have the goal of becoming a business owner. You just want to become the best nail technician you can be. And I am here to teach you how to accomplish all of that by saving you all of the trial and error it took me to get to where I am today and save you valuable time. From the feedback I get from nail technicians all over the world, traditional nail schools are not providing the best education. And it's because the majority of the instructors employed at the schools have never worked in a salon or on a clientele. We need instructors, and I am glad that they are there to teach you the basics and to teach you how to pass state board, but you need practical, real-life experience and education to grow a clientele and to keep them happy to make a profitable salary. You need training from someone who has seen it all, someone who has given over 20,000 pedicures and over 100,000 nail fills, and that someone is me, a pedicure expert and an acrylic nail expert. I hope by the end of our chat today that you decide to embark on this educational journey with me that will place you above and beyond your competition and become part of an elite group who has the courage to care for the people in a way that matters most and care for those who need it most. You might be wondering why I created this online training course. What I do in my life and what I am going to teach you today is to always do the right thing and to do what you can to help people around you, and everything else in your life will fall into place when you do this. I hear from clients all over the world every day asking me how to help them find a nail technician in their area that does quality work like me. I get comments from nail technicians all over the world telling me that they learned more in one of my videos than they ever learned in nail school. And I realized I needed to do something to bridge the gap, because at the end of the day, to build a clientele, we need to meet the expectations of the client. The world is ever evolving and we need to keep up. And you cannot let the fear of what might not be paralyze you from reaching your goals and being a positive influence on the world. I will show you when you do the work, there is nothing else that can happen but to achieve your goals. Let me ask you, what does success mean to you? The dictionary defines success as the accomplishment of an aim or a purpose. How simple is that definition? I mean, what does success mean to you? We are successful all day long in ways that we don't even give ourselves credit for. I mean, an accomplishment of an aim or a purpose, how boring is that? I know that when someone says they want to be successful, that they are expecting this overwhelming sense of pride and respect that goes along with going out and buying something that you've always wanted or accomplishing something that they feel very proud of themselves. So what does success mean to you? Is it money? Is it fame? Is it respect? Is it admiration? For me, it is helping to resolve a problem for someone that gives them instant gratification. I give a person instant gratification from giving them the result that they envisioned. And I'm going to explain how you can achieve all of this and more, but you aren't going to accomplish any of them without the understanding of the most simple tasks. And that is the meeting the needs of the clients in your community. I mentioned earlier that I get hundreds of emails every week from people all around the world asking me how to find a nail technician that can achieve a pedicure result or nail result like me. They tell me that they've been to corner salons and that they can't communicate with them. They try to express what they want, but either the tech isn't listening or they just don't care. These people are looking for qualified nail technicians that are thorough and care about the service they provide. And that is why I started the Global Meticulous Manicurist Network, an online training center, to meet the needs of the people all over the world, because these people need you. And I can help you build a clientele and get the clients in your community to realize there's a higher level of care than a walk-in salon. These people do not realize there are nail technicians out there that provide a higher level of service. I am going to teach you everything you need to know to perform a service on the prettiest to the most challenging nails. And by the end, you are going to be able to accomplish all of it with ease. During this journey, you are going to hear the evolution of my story over the past 25 years of providing services and how I arrived where I am today. Everything I have learned along the way, all of the mistakes that I have made that impacted the decisions, and what I should have done differently. My goal for you is to avoid the BS learning curve that I had to endure and to move through your career gracefully. To remove the struggle, to remove the stress, and to remove the fear of the unknown. After completing this course, you will add a fabulous chapter to your story and become the newest member of the Global Meticulous Manicurist Network. The world needs more people like you. The grip of the non-legit corner walk-in salons in this industry is over, and not all corner salons are non-legit, but we have the power and the strength to provide, and we are going to do it. Some clients have used intimidation and threats over the years to control what we charge for our service, and we thought we couldn't make a living in this industry. Or they would go down the street to the corner salons. They would say things like, "Why do you charge so much when I can go down the street and get the same thing for half as much?" Well, I don't know when the last time you checked the price of your local salons, but they are charging the same price as regular salons now, but they are not offering the same quality of services. Clients can't compare apples to apples of what we provide and what they get at another salon, because they don't know a significant percentage of the people who are working on the public aren't even licensed or qualified if you're in another country, but they are putting their health at risk every single time they go into these salons. Some of the products that they use are non-legit, imported, and illegal in the United States, and the quality of the work is subpar because they have a time quota to get them in and out, and there is no personal conversation and no personal connection. There is no excitement or fun feelings of looking forward to going to the salon and getting their nails done or to get their pedicure service, and they're putting their health at risk with the safety and disinfection procedures in a place that most likely has no liability insurance in case of injury or infection. The truth is, the client can go down the street, but after they experience the lack of commitment, quality, compassion, dedication, education, and the end result doesn't last as long, they will be back. People will pay for quality. It isn't always about the money, it's about the experience and the result. So many salons are calling a polish change a pedicure on toes, and that is not a pedicure. A pedicure consists of so much more, and I am here to teach you how to achieve the most significant transformations in the most efficient and effective way. Are you eager to get your career on the right track? Do you have what it takes to become part of the Meticulous Manicurist Network? I've worked long and hard on compiling 17 plus modules. They are packed full of information you need to meet the needs of your community. I make efficient use of my time and yours. You are going to get benefit out of every minute of this course. And when you are finished, you will be prepared to conquer and claim your position as the most sought after nail technician in your community. So what does the training consist of? There are 17 plus modules, and you will complete them at your own pace. There is the welcome module, the business success and attributes, the building your foundation, the client consultation, tools, timing and techniques, pricing, regular pedicure training, customized pedicure training, specialized pedicure training, ingrown toenail cleaning training, foot and leg massage, electric file techniques, nail polishing tips and tricks, body ergonomics, salon policies and procedures, client building, business financials, marketing and materials, and selling retail. The bonus materials consist of customizable spreadsheets, client building tools, order inventory spreadsheets, courtesy call scripts, no-show and late policies, and printable handouts. Plus you get tons of other free downloadable customizable resources for your business. There is some light homework necessary to transition you from goals to reality after a few modules, and a short quiz after each module before you move on to the next module. What would you expect to pay for all of this education, and what kind of expenses would you incur with additional traveling to attend one of my in-person sessions? The value of this education is valued at over $6,000, but I have priced the online training course at just $999. Did you say, oh, well, I want to become part of the Meticulous Manicurist Network, but I can't afford this amount? You can't afford to miss this opportunity. And like I said, the training is priceless, and it will increase your business tenfold. And remember, I will add you to the Global Meticulous Manicurist Network, where I will post your business information on my website so I can refer people to you. You can't get that kind of advertising anywhere. Your education is an investment in your future. You can't achieve the success we spoke of earlier without the investment in yourself. And an additional bonus is you get special admin privileges to the Global Meticulous Manicurist Network Facebook page. And remember, I will be referring anyone who asks for a trained meticulous manicurist in their area to you. I will post your business information and contact information on my website under the network link. You would end up paying more than $497 in fees from Facebook and Google ads for just 1 week to advertise your services, and you could end up with 0 results for that ad. This investment is a result-oriented course and the perfect way to become the most sought-after nail technician in your community. Join me today on an amazing journey to become part of an elite group of nail technicians and my Global Meticulous Manicurist Network. I'll see you inside.